Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email address in Gmail step by step. First, open the Gmail app or go to the Gmail website and log in to your account. Now go to your profile icon and tap on Manage your Google account. After that, go to the Personal Info section. Scroll down and look for Contact Info, then tap on Email. Here, you may see an option like Google Account Email or Email Address. Tap on it. Now, if you see a change option, click on it. Enter the new email address you want to use and confirm it. But here's something important. In most cases, Gmail does not allow you to change your main Gmail address once it's created. If you're unable to change it, don't worry. You can use these alternatives. You can create a new Gmail account with the email you want. Or you can add another email address and use it to send emails. You can also set up email forwarding so all your emails go to your new account. And that's it. That's how you can try to change your Gmail address and what to do if the option is not available. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.